today I'll be doing a review of the Sports Decorator series. So let's start opening. So let me open the box. Okay guys, so it comes with this car. It needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 batteries for inside the car and 2 for the remote control. So it comes with a car, a remote, and these 2 sticker papers. So then you put it on it. So let's start decorating. So I'm going to take the fire over here and I will place it on the doors. Whoa. Okay guys, so I put both of the fires, my brother did one and I did one. It looks so cool for now, like a race car. So these 2 are the stickers, those were the fireworks that I used. And now, we're going, at the end, okay. So we're going to take, now that we did the fires at the back, I'm gonna put this small meow. So cool. Wait. Nice. Look, he put a star. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna decorate the car on the top with the stars. I think we get another pink one. Wait, there might be. Let's get a purple one next. And next blue? No, purple one I said. Adian, which sticker do you want to put from BB's? Oh, Adian, where do you want to put it? So tell me which way you want to put it.
So I wanted to put it like, I want to put this in the back because the back of the which is so cool.
You want to cover the lights for tonight, mister? You don't want to do that. Okay, so we're going to do more stars. Come on. Ooh, these 2 are connected. Let's do these 2. Where do you want to put these 2 stars? Oh, nice. Good choice. I completely forgot about this spot. Okay, let's keep decorating. Wait, I'll pick up that one. There's more, the same kind. Wait. Oh, good. Okay. Now I'll put one there. What? Oh, yeah. Okay, Adian. Oh, wait. Adian, where are you going to put this?
Put this in right here. So, these guys look so beautiful with these.
Okay. So, Adian. Oh yeah, no, we're looking for the ones that, these are 3 connected.
We should I want to put
this
them in
one will be
highlights.
here.
I'll put
No, because we may have finished coloring this one too, right? This one cannot just stay like crying, wah, wah, wah. It needs to be fully decorated. Look guys, so beautiful. Oh, sorry. It's supposed to smell one to be honest. Okay guys, look. So nice. And that's the stars and the sides. So we're going to keep decorating. Ooh, nice toys. Okay, now we're going to put 2 of these on the front side. And now the second one is also, wait, I'm looking for, oh, wait, I found one just like it. Okay guys, so I'm putting all of these stickers on this car. One pause here and take the other one. Okay, Adian, we're going to take the other one and you will get to put it. Okay, put it right over here in the corner next to this blue star, dark blue star. No, we got this one, right?
This one?
Yeah, single. You're about to get a single one. Okay, we don't want to cover the blue. Okay, guys, we decorated the car. Now let's go and try it.
Yep.
Look, I decorated it. So beautiful. And now when you're on it, here's my car. So nice. And now let's test it. So let me put it. Oh no. Now come out now. Okay. This one's Yay, came back. Yay. Let's do a fight. No fighting. Bye bye. I hope you liked this video. And make sure to like and subscribe all of my videos. I'm gonna take it all the way back home.